So what is an ad copy? Ad copy is the words of the ads marketers create. So when marketers create ads, they use words to convey the message they are trying to send to the customers. Example of an ad copy. So as you can see right here, the ones that are highlighted in red are the ad copy. And as you can see on the left side here, it says maximize the efficiency of your business applications. That these words that is used to describe the ad in Google AdWords, that's the ad copy. And right here in this example of a Facebook ad, these words that are used to describe the words is the ad copy. So basically the ad copy is the text that you read in ads. Now let's look at ad creative. So what is an ad creative? The ad creative is the image, the GIF, the emoji, the animation, the video, or the series of images the marketers use in their ads. The words the marketers use in their ad is called the ad copy, and visual element they use like image is the ad creative. So now let's look at some examples of an ad creative. As you can see right here, this image is the ad creative. This image that says your career starts here with some pictures of some companies, that is the ad creative. And this animation right here, this dashboard that looks like an animation, that's the ad creative. This right here is a video, and this is also the ad creative. So the ad creative is the image, the video that is used in ad.